let's get ready to rumble!
Oh my, top badass Baddington gets hit with a devastating set of blows. I've never seen anyone get an uppercut that hard. Avila is taking it to Baddington in the ring. Baddington is absorbing tremendous punishment. How much more can he take? Wait a minute. Look at this.
Yeah, this is the only thing my dad ever left me, this gun. It's I treasure it, I clean it all the time. You just never know, when I'm gonna need it. But my dad gave me this gun, It's all I got from him. They didn't call me Tom Baddass Baddington for no reason, man. Because I took out a bunch of people, man. I should have been a contender, man, and number one,
Where'd you grow up?
Well, I grew up here in Austin, man, on the east side, Santa Maria Courts. Kept getting bullied. Figured I was gonna do something, man, to do something with myself, man. I was never gonna be a loser. My parents didn't teach me how to be a loser. So I got into boxing, man, So I'm actually glad I did, because it taught me a lot. It taught me a lot for my life. My mom was Mexican, and my dad was white, he fell in love with my mom, man, and of course they had me, I was in tip-top shape, man. I mean, I was like, no one could beat me, man. I was making the circuits, man, Jeez, I remember those days, man. I was kicking ass and taking names, man. I lost my mom a couple of years ago, and I'm here at her house right now, And one day, about a year and a half ago, we had this big storm, And I was sitting inside and heard this loud bam, saw a big flash in the window, So after the rain went, I came by and I checked out this tree, man. The lightning bolt, it hit this cross that's been nailed in that my mom, actually, it was her mom's cross, but she nailed it up there, when my grandmother passed away. All this was gold painted, right? And it fried the whole thing. And the lightning bolt went straight up the tree. That is crazy, man. Is that what do you call that, man? It's a freaking miracle, man. For real. So you know what, man? I gotta get my stuff together, for real. And I'll show you a couple things. Oh look, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in here. This is me when I was younger. 15 fights already, and 14 were by KO. One went the distance. But
So how old were you there?
I was 22 years old at the time.
Where were you at?
I was actually here in Austin, based out of Austin, but that fight I was in Las Vegas. I fought in Las Vegas on that fight. That was the night that I fought El Gacho, Avila. And it was here in Austin, Texas. I was back home with the home crowd and everything. And that day, I found out while I was getting prepared for the fight that my daughter was in a bad accident and her lungs had collapsed and they had to do surgery to save her life. I'm not making that an excuse. I'm just telling you. I had a lot on my mind, right? And so I'll show you what my daughter, you tell me, man, what my daughter looked like. Is that right there? She was in the hospital. This was after surgery. And God bless her soul, she survived, and it's my daughter, breath of hope, because we thought we were going to lose her, we thought she was going to die, but she's a fighter. She's very strong now. She's older, and I'm just so thankful that she survived. But
When's the last time you seen her?
I haven't seen her for over 10 years.
What happened?
And well, that night, you know, with her being in the hospital, going through surgery, I should have just called off the fight, you know. But I made the decision to go through with the fight for my career, you know. I thought I won the fight, but ended up losing the fight to a decision. And that's fine, you know. And after that, the loss of the fight, my daughter being in the hospital, and I wasn't there for her, I just checked out, man.
You know, Tom, I've been a big fan of yours for years. And when I found you for this interview, I found your daughter. She's coming over.
Tom?
Baby girl?
Dad. Found you.
Oh, jeez, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hey, hold on a second. I got something for you. Don't move. Take what you want, but leave me some.